northeastern Ellis County in north central Texas, northeastern Navarro County in north central Texas, northwestern Henderson County in central Texas, southern Kaufman County in north central Texas, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cottonwood, or 15 miles southwest of Kaufman, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near 7 points around 3:55 p.m. Gun Battle City until around 4:05 p.m. Enchanted Oaks around 4:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Powell, Rice, Rosser, Paine Springs, and Oak Grove. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 237 and 248, and between mile markers 256 and 262. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.